Hello everybody, namaskara.
Prakriti introduced me and Dr. Rajkumar ji wanted me to come. Thanks to Praku. He knew me and they were trying to look out for me. This one goes out to Apu up there. I'm sure he's very happy. I'm assuming, I'm saying you're fine. I'm not asking you how you are. I'll just sing a few lines because you know what, I don't want to take away anything from all the wonderful children. They are the stars of tonight. Neene, neene, Menagella neene, Matu neene, Manasella neene, Nannayade tumba, Ninnu preeti taane, Neenu irada mele, Hege irlina hele jaane neene, Menagella neene, Matu neene, Manasella neene. And to finish off the evening, oh Hamdam Suniyore, oh Janiya Suniyore, let me hear. Khidki se chori chori nange pav chand aayega, oh Hamdam Suniyore, oh Janiya Suniyore. Oh Chaniya Sham ko khidki se chori chori nange pav chand aayega. And now comes KK's part. Oh suniyo re, Janiya re, suniyo re, oh Janiya. Dheem dheem tanana dheem tanana oh galiyon se aayega. Dheem dheem tanana oh seeti baja. Dheem dheem tanana oh neem ke ped se. Let me hear you say dheem dheem. पास बुलाएगा. Hey, big round of applause for everybody at this wonderful, wonderful school. I'm very proud. I call her, she is my niece, and I'm very proud that she's passing out of such great heritage. Congratulations. God bless everybody here. Thank you. Neene, neene, Menagella neene, Matu neene, Manasella neene, Nannayade tumba, Ninnu preeti taane, Neenu